Hey guys, I'm Chef Kayla, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chef Kayla. Today we will be doing a taste test with Bob's Burgers. In case you're wondering what Bob's Burgers is, it is an animated TV series starring Bob Belcher and his wife Linda, and their 3 kids, and they're all running his business selling his burgers called Bob's Burgers. Bob puts a burger of the day on his chalkboard, so the writers of the show have come together with a cookbook of each burger on each episode. So today we are doing a taste test of 3 burgers from the cookbook. Instead of using beef burgers, we're using venison burgers today, and Jen likes to put her special rub on them. If you want to know what her special rub is, we will put a PDF in the description so you can get the recipe. Our first contestant today is the new beckoning burger. For this burger, you're going to need your meat, cheese, lettuce, tomato, red onion, and the all-American bacon. Contestant number 2 is Sweet Home Avocado Burger. For this burger, you'll need your burger, avocado, tomato, bell pepper, onions, and a lime juice sauce. Our third contestant is Eggers Can't Be Cheesers Burger. For this burger, you'll need your meat, cheese, 1 egg sunny side up, and hot sauce, but that's optional. Alright guys, this is the new baconing burger. It has lettuce, meat, cheese, tomato, bacon, and onion. Let's taste it. The burger is juicy, tomato is juicy, bacon is crisp, and the onion is crunchy. Give this one a 10 out of 10. Alright guys, this is the Sweet Home Avocado Burger. We got our burger, avocado, bell pepper, tomato, onion, and our lime juice. Let's taste. The burger's juicy. Taste the avocado. The tomato, bell pepper, onion mix is nice and ripe. And the juice is really, really sweet. Give this one a 10 out of 10. Alright guys, this is the Eggers Can't Be Cheesers Burger. You have your meat, cheese, egg, which is sunny side up, and a splash of hot sauce. Let's taste. The burger's juicy, the egg is just right, and the hot sauce adds an extra kick to it. But I give this burger an 8 out of 10, only because the burger bun's great, but it would probably be a little better with like an English muffin for a breakfast burger. Thanks for watching our Bob's Burgers taste test video. If you're interested in purchasing the book, you can go to any local bookstore and get it, or you can get it off Amazon like I did. If you're interested in watching Bob's Burgers, then you can check them out on Fox, or you can check them out on Hulu. Again, thanks for watching. See you soon. Did you like this cooking video? Then follow us on our YouTube channel at Waller Adventures. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notified on when we drop more videos. Also, check us out on Facebook at Waller Adventures and on our Instagram page at Waller_Adventures. Hope you liked the video. See you real soon.